The term fastener encompasses a fairly broad category of tools, such as screws, nuts, and bolts, that share a common purpose: to mechanically hold objects together. With the exception of rivets, fasteners are typically non-permanent, meaning they can be disassembled and reassembled. Chances are you've seen fasteners before. They're basically everywhere. But do you know the most common types of fasteners and what sets them all apart? Let's take a look. Screws are the most commonly thought of fastener. Unlike a bolt, they don't require a nut to hold them in place. Typically, a pilot hole is drilled first, but not always. Wood screws have a tapered head and coarse threads. Deck screws are similar to wood screws, but include self-tapping designs and corrosion resistance for outdoor applications. Drywall screws feature a bugle head that can countersink without causing damage to drywall and remain secure. Sheet metal screws have sharper threads for connecting metal to other materials and are typically fully threaded with pointed or self-tapping, also known as thread cutting, tips. Machine screws have a uniform diameter, are fully threaded, and don't taper off at the bottom. They are used in a variety of applications, typically installed in pre-drilled threaded holes and sometimes used with a nut. Socket cap screws have a uniform diameter, fine threads, and a socket drive. There are a few different head styles for cap screws, but they all utilize the socket drive. Known for their high strength, socket cap screws are commonly seen in clamping and robotic assemblies, among many others. Masonry screws, also known as concrete screws, have alternating high and low threads and require a pilot hole to be drilled in the concrete before installation. There are many other types of specialty and branded screws available with their own unique properties. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more things fasteners.